Go, guys.
They didn't hear anybody counting.
All the trucks seem to have some problems. Getting their trucks fired up. Tim LaPointe, the first to leave the line. Flint Frizzell close after him. King Cornwall on the 300. Frizzell takes a shot on LaPointe right off the bat, as does Jason Ingham. Ingham and Frizzell teaming up to go against Tim LaPointe. LaPointe's been the big winner here lately. Jason Ingham going after the hate of Rebel Riley. Pushing on. Oh, Frizzell, a big hit. Pushes Riley and tires out of the way. My, oh my, a big hit from Clint Frizzell. Here comes Tim LaPointe. Oh, these trucks carrying some momentum and some inertia. Oh, a huge hit. Rick Rowland. A big hit of Jason Ingham. Ingham continues on and smashes into Rowland. Jason Ingham is putting the gas, going after people. Frizzell on the other side, sandwiching Tim LaPointe. Cornwell on the 300 looking to hit someone. Jason Ingham being pushed. Oh my! Clinton Frizzell is up on two wheels on the back of John Greenwood. 166 Greenwood hammered him. Frizzell fighting right back, takes a shot at Rowland. LaPointe hard. Oh my, these trucks are dishing out some punishment. And Riley took a shot. John Greenwood, oh! Riley hard into the front of Rowland. LaPointe misses and goes all the way out to the track. Had LaPointe hit somebody, he would have done some damage. Instead, he ends up in the track by himself. Jason Ingham, after showing solid hit, is stopped at the top of the arena. Rowland trying to move. Oh, big hit. LaPointe being pushed all the way out by King Cornwell. Cornwell, oh, Frizzell just missed the front of Cornwell. Rowland taking a shot from Riley. Riley just missing getting hit by Frizzell. Get LaPointe back in looking to hit somebody, and he picks on the 300 Cornwell. Big hit, Frizzell looking to hit somebody, misses Riley.
Oh, yeah.
Big puppy John Greenwood on his side.
Yeah, I understand.
Big puppy not feeling so well. Greenwood on his side. See if he can get his truck righted again. And they've done it. Greenwood, he's back in it. He's ready to go. Oh my. This has been one of the best demolition derbies we've seen all year. We barely started. Can Greenwood get it fired up? There it goes. It's running for the moment. We'll see if Greenwood can get back in it. Clearing the track. Everybody ready to go? Here we go. We're going to count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag. And immediately they start hammering on each other. Riley going after LaPointe. Rich Rowland is missing a front wheel. You can see it laying there at the front of the arena. Tim LaPointe pushed all the way out of the arena, trying to get the number 10 fired back up. Clint Frizzell looking to hit. Oh, he misses Riley. Cornwell. Now Frizzell hits Riley. Rowland in the 44 looking to hit somebody. Hard to hit the front tire. Dished out by Ed Riley. It doesn't appear the 166 is not moving. Greenwood trying to get it fired back up. Now it's moving. Greenwood again underway. Greenwood going in the back of Brazil. Now Ed Riley looking to hit somebody, takes a swipe at Greenwood. Greenwood getting pushed by Cornwell. Brazil trying to move, but Brazil has lost the tire. And is making nothing but smoke. Now the 44 Rich Rowland running again. Rowland takes a shot at the front end of Riley. Riley trying to get away from him. And he slams into the tire and spins. Oh, and you can see the hollow flow on the front of Ed Riley's truck. Now the brakes go down to the steam. The whole head of the truck goes with steam. Riley is not where he's going. Brazil making a ton of smoke and he's missing the tire. Steam pouring out of the front of Rebel Ed Riley's truck. And the red flag's out as we see flames from the front end of the 166. Oh, drivers. Now they can alley see. Everybody's getting stopped. The red flag. We have a fire. John Greenwood having a tough go. Gets tipped over sideways and now has a fire under the hood. Fire is out. Greenwood maybe none. Greenwood trying to get the fire back up again. Greenwood has the 166 moving. Well, I think he's being told to get off the track as he has a fire hazard. My oh my. What a journey so far. Looks like we're going to continue possibly. So instructions being given to some of the drivers. Cornwell still moving. Riley still able to continue. See it rolling. You get the 44 moving. Yeah, it's rolling. The green flag's picked up. Here we go. Green flag on the way. Clinton Brazil in the black 11 no longer moving. Cornwell still moving. Rowland still moving. Wiley still moving. And those are your last three participants. Oh, a big hit. Spinning him all the way around. That was Rowland on Riley. And now both of those trucks. No. It's Rowland taking a shot from Cornwell. Cornwell maybe stuck. All three of those trucks maybe fit together. Cornwell still has it reversed. Now Riley's able to break free of the pack. He backs up, throws his drives forward, and slam into the 44 of Rich Rowland. And that dislodges the two. But Riley looks like he's